Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Ever dream of waking up to money in your account, all earned while you are catching Z's? That's the beauty of passive income, and Etsy Print on Demand is a fantastic way to make it happen. Imagine this. Someone loves your designs, orders a t-shirt, and bam! Your pod partner takes care of everything, printing, shipping, the whole shebang while you earn a profit. Sounds pretty sweet, right? In this guide, we'll dive deep into the world of Etsy Pod. We'll uncover the secrets, share actionable steps, and empower you to build a thriving business that lets you live life on your terms. Get ready to unleash your inner creative boss and start making money while you sleep. Print on demand is like magic, but for entrepreneurs. It's a simple concept. You create amazing designs, and a pod company prints them onto products only when someone orders them. No need to buy inventory upfront or deal with shipping logistics. Think of it like having a personal printing factory at your fingertips, minus the overhead and hassle. You create, someone buys, the pod partner handles the rest. It's that simple. This model is a game changer, especially for creatives. It lets you focus on what you love, designing without the stress of traditional business hurdles. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's go. Etsy is the online marketplace for unique, handmade, and vintage goods. It's a vibrant community where creativity thrives and individuality is celebrated. It's a haven for creative souls, and it's the perfect platform to launch your pod empire. Here's why. Built-in audience. Millions of shoppers flock to Etsy specifically for unique designs, making it an ideal place to showcase your pod products. These shoppers are already looking for something special, which means your unique designs have a higher chance of being noticed and appreciated. Easy setup. Setting up an Etsy shop is a breeze. They guide you through the entire process, making it super beginner-friendly. From listing your first product to customizing your shop's appearance, Etsy provides clear instructions and helpful tips to get you started quickly. Powerful tools. Etsy provides all the tools you need to manage your shop, process orders, and connect with customers. You can track your sales, analyze your shop's performance, and even use marketing tools to promote your products. Plus, Etsy's messaging system makes it easy to communicate with buyers and build relationships. Etsy is like a bustling online craft fair, but without the need to rent a booth or travel. You can reach a global audience from the comfort of your home, showcasing your products to people all over the world. It's a supportive community where you can connect with fellow creatives and build a loyal customer base. Whether you're looking for advice, inspiration, or just a sense of camaraderie, Etsy's community is there to support you every step of the way. So if you're ready to turn your creative passion into a thriving pod business, Etsy is the place to be. Choosing a niche is crucial for pod success. It allows you to target specific customer interests and stand out in a crowded market. Passion is key. What are you passionate about? What hobbies or interests light you up? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your designs and attract like-minded customers. Think about current trends, popular hobbies, and underserved markets. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to target your ideal customer. Once you've found your niche, it's time to unleash your creativity. Section 5. Designing your dreams. From idea to reality. This is where the magic happens. It's time to turn your passion into eye-catching designs that people will love to wear, use, and show off. Don't worry if you're not a design pro. There are tons of resources available to help you create stunning designs even if you're a complete beginner. Explore graphic design software like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, or hire a freelance designer to bring your visions to life. Remember, your designs should reflect your chosen niche and appeal to your target audience. Experiment with different styles, colors, and typography to create designs that are both visually appealing and on-brand. Section 6. Picking your pod partner. Who will print your stuff? Choosing the right pod partner is crucial for your business's success. They're the ones who will bring your designs to life and ensure your customers receive high-quality products on time. Do your research. Compare different pod companies and consider factors like product quality. Look for companies that use high-quality materials and printing techniques. Product range. Choose a partner that offers a wide range of products to diversify your offerings. Shipping costs and times. Consider shipping costs and delivery times to ensure customer satisfaction. Popular pod providers include Printful, Printify, and Guten. Take your time, read reviews, and choose a partner that aligns with your business needs and values. Section 7. Building your Etsy empire, setting up shop. It's time to build your online storefront. Setting up your Etsy shop is exciting and straightforward. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand and niche. Create a captivating shop banner and logo that visually represents your business. Write a compelling shop bio that tells your story, highlights your unique selling proposition, and connects with potential customers. Remember, your Etsy shop is your online home, so make it inviting, informative, and reflective of your brand. Section 8 SEO Secrets: Getting your products seen. Imagine this. You've created amazing designs, but they're getting lost in the vast sea of Etsy products. It can be incredibly frustrating to see your hard work not getting the attention it deserves. That's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your secret weapon to stand out. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's all about making your products easily discoverable by shoppers searching on Etsy. By optimizing your listings, you can ensure that your products appear in relevant searches. Think of it as putting up neon signs that attract customers to your shop. These neon signs are your keywords and tags. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions. These keywords should be what potential buyers are likely to type into the search bar. What would someone type into the Etsy search bar when looking for a product like yours? Those are your keywords. Don't forget about tags. Tags are equally important in helping your products get discovered. Etsy allows you to add multiple tags to each listing, so make the most of them. Use a variety of tags to cover different search terms. Use a mix of broad and specific keywords to increase your product's visibility. Broad keywords will help you reach a wider audience, while specific keywords will target niche markets. This combination ensures that your products are seen by as many potential customers as possible. Regularly review your Etsy analytics to see which keywords and tags are driving traffic to your listings. Adjust and refine your SEO strategy based on this data to continually improve your product visibility. With the right SEO techniques, you'll see your products climb the search results, leading to more views, more favorites, and ultimately, more sales. Happy selling! Section 9. Spreading the word: marketing your pod business. You've got a beautiful Etsy shop and incredible products. Now it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Marketing is the key to turning your passion into profit. Marketing is all about getting your brand and products in front of the right people. It's not just about making noise, but making the right kind of noise that resonates with your target audience. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can help you connect with potential customers and build a community around your brand. Create engaging content that showcases your designs, behind-the-scenes peeks, and customer testimonials. Share stories that highlight the uniqueness of your products and the passion behind your brand. Pinterest and Instagram are particularly powerful platforms for visual businesses like POE. Use high-quality images and videos to capture attention and drive traffic to your shop. Consider running targeted ads on Etsy and social media to reach a wider audience interested in your niche. Ads can be a cost-effective way to boost visibility and attract new customers. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your industry to tap into their established audiences. Influencer marketing can lend credibility to your brand and expand your reach exponentially. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time effort, but a continuous journey of learning and adapting. Experiment with different strategies, track your results, and adjust your approach as needed to maximize your reach. Analyze your data to understand what works best and refine your tactics accordingly. Stay flexible and open to new ideas to keep your marketing efforts fresh and effective. Section 10. Keeping it fresh: trends and customer love. Congratulations, you're officially an Etsy pod entrepreneur. But the journey doesn't end there. To stay ahead of the game, keep your finger on the pulse of trends and prioritize exceptional customer service. Stay active in your niche communities. Follow trend reports, browse popular hashtags, and pay attention to what your target audience is loving. Regularly update your shop with fresh designs that reflect current trends and customer preferences. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Go the extra mile to resolve issues and exceed expectations. Happy customers become repeat customers and brand ambassadors, spreading the word about your awesome products and top-notch service. Section 11. Ready, set, create. There you have it, future pod rock stars. We've covered everything from the basics of print on demand to marketing your Etsy shop like a pro. Now it's time to take action. Remember, starting a business takes courage, passion, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right mindset and the tips outlined in this guide, you have everything you need to build a successful Etsy pod business that allows you to pursue your passions and achieve financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith, unleash your creativity, and start building the business of your dreams. One amazing design at a time. The world is waiting to wear your art.